Hello and a very warm welcome to all our amazing viewers.
You're watching your doctor, your friendly home for simple, natural, and powerful health solutions that are safe, affordable, and easy to follow. We believe that nature holds the key to healing, and today's remedy is a perfect example of that. Have you ever struggled with stomach pain, gas, bloating, or that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after a meal? It's more common than you think, and millions of people suffer from it every day. But the good news is you don't have to rely on expensive medications or harsh chemicals to feel better. In fact, you can find relief right from your own kitchen. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare a highly effective, 100% natural remedy using just 4 simple ingredients. This powerful mix not only soothes stomach pain and reduces bloating, but also improves digestion and helps your body feel light and balanced again. The best part, it starts working in just a few minutes. Before we get into the recipe, I'd like to ask for a small favor. If you enjoy natural remedies and want to take control of your health the natural way, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss our weekly tips, remedies, and wellness secrets. Also, please stay with me until the end of the video because I'll be sharing some important advice and precautions that will help you get the most benefit from this remedy. Now, let's talk about the ingredients. For this powerful home treatment, you'll need half a teaspoon of dried ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds, a pinch of black salt, also known as Himalayan rock salt, 1 glass of warm, freshly boiled water.
To prepare the drink, simply add the ginger powder, crushed fennel, and black salt to your glass of warm water. Stir well until all the ingredients are fully dissolved. You should drink this mixture slowly, preferably after meals or whenever you feel discomfort, bloating, or trapped gas. The flavor may be a little spicy or salty, but don't worry, it's completely natural and incredibly effective. So, what makes this remedy so special? Let's break it down. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory. It calms the stomach, supports digestion, and helps relieve nausea, cramps, and gas. Fennel seeds are widely used in traditional medicine to ease bloating, reduce intestinal gas, and encourage smoother digestion. Black salt helps activate the digestive system and promotes the release of digestive enzymes. It also has a mild laxative effect, which can be helpful in cases of indigestion. Warm water improves the absorption of these ingredients and helps relax your stomach muscles. When these 4 ingredients work together, the result is a fast-acting remedy that relaxes the stomach, breaks down gas, and restores comfort naturally. But before you rush to try it, here are a few important tips. If you suffer from serious digestive problems such as stomach ulcers, chronic acidity, or GERD, it's best to consult your doctor before trying any new remedy, even natural ones. This recipe is meant for occasional use only, and not for long-term or daily use. Also, pregnant women or those on medication for blood pressure or digestion should seek medical advice before using any herbal treatment. And here's something else. To get the most benefit from this remedy, avoid cold drinks or heavy fried foods right after using it. Give your digestive system some rest and let the ingredients do their job. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experience. And share this video with someone who may need it. Your support means the world to us. It helps our channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you more natural healing secrets. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We wish you health, comfort, and peace. Until next time, this is your doctor saying, stay well, take care of your body, and goodbye for now.